all your attention. Are you ready? Just tell me how we are ready.
Can you please do a little Yeah.
So when I have all the hands up in the air, then I'm ready.
2 more minutes.
Okay. So done? So before we start, I'll talk in English and Bangla, which is your comfort language. English for everybody is okay? Or Bangla and English mix? English? Yeah. Okay, fine. So because I wanted to ask that first. Okay, now I'll ask a couple of questions to start the process. How many of you have a garden? How many of you, raise your hands, how many of you have a garden? Small. I would call even having a couple of pots as a garden because we are not staying in a a bungalow or something. Wow. Okay. Now the next, how many of you have planted a seed as an activity in school, have seen it grow or taken care of? How many of you? Wow. So pat on your back. Back. Okay, why pat on your back? Why pat on your back? Because each person, you've seen a seed grow. How many person? What does it happen? What does it take to grow a plant? Can somebody tell me? Yes? Yeah? Air, water, sunlight. And air, water, sunlight and so if you manure, good. So which is the most recent plant you have seen growing? Like it is a small seed and now it is grown into a plant. Can you identify? You will be taken to a nursery, na? So can you identify plants? Okay, so this is a mango tree, right? Right? So how many trees can you identify? Give me the names of 5 trees. Chalo, jaldi 5. Let's see who can do jaldi 5. Apple tree, mango tree. Okay, and banana tree and okay. Money plant is not a tree. So when you go around this place, it has got a lovely collection of trees. Okay. So ask that uncle who takes you around what tree, and you have to identify at least 5 trees you have seen today and see whether the names you know or not. So which are the trees which don't have any fruits yet are very useful? Bamboo, very nice. What tree? Rubber tree, very nice. Neem tree, wow. Tulsi is not a tree, beta, but yes, it is useful. Pine, okay. Cotton. So all these are what? They are useful. Why? Because we don't understand that this nature gives us everything. Okay, the food we eat. You know what? My children, I had taken them to a rice plantation. Rice, everybody, all of you have rice? Okay. But have you ever gone to a rice plantation and seen, you have to stick yourself, you have to stand in this much water and soil and mud. So when my children saw that, then they said, my God, just, your legs get stuck in it and you have to put that rice, and it is really, really difficult. We don't appreciate the people who make that for us. Do we say thank you to those people? No. But when you go and do it yourself, you understand, your leg is getting stuck, you're all over, you are mucky and water is all there. And that day it was raining so much and we did I take my children to such places. and to experience that how it is important. So today we are going to do an activity called seed ball activity. Okay, so it's a very simple and yeah, it is done in your school, right? So very nice. So we have an experienced person here, but this you can do. And why seed ball activity? The first and foremost question is, why do we have to do a seed ball activity? You know what? See, if you take a seed and let it stay just like that, with the exposure to air and everything, without putting it into soil, what will happen to that seed? It it will spoil, right? So basically, seed ball activity is done so that we can preserve the seeds. And technically, what happens is there are places which have barren lands. You know why they have become barren? Because either it has rained too much or it has not rained at all. So those places become fully barren. And we are constantly cutting trees. But are we doing something to replace it? So the seed ball activity was an activity done so that wildflowers, natural things can be preserved, and they will be taken in small balls and then thrown at the right place, put in the mud at the right place, maybe during the rainy season, so that nature again comes back. So that was the reason why seed ball activity had been started. Okay, so it is very simple. You all will be making it yourself. You all will be taking it home, and you can repeat the same process anytime you want. You can teach, you can have an activity during your birthday party or anything like that. Or you can teach your friends, you know. So this is a very interesting activity. I want all your hands will become dirty. So one thing I will tell all of you, that soil, touching soil is not ganda, it's not dirt. Okay, so your hands will get dirty in the process, but I would like all of you to experience this. So I need a couple of volunteers to distribute something to the children.
No, it is very simple. আচ্ছা, এবার এটাও সবাইকে দিতে হবে, যাদের ওইটা দেওয়া হয়েছে সেটাও দিতে হবে। আচ্ছা, এটা করে এবার এটা আমি করবো। আচ্ছা, খুশি তুমি এটা রাখো। যারা ওটা
না না, আরে চিন্তা করো না, সারাদিন তো বসেই থাকি। হ্যাঁ, ছবি তুলছি, রেকর্ড করছি, এরকম একটা ইন্টারাক্ট গল্প করতাম।
নিজে বানাবে মাটিটা সাফিসিয়েন্ট হচ্ছে পেপারে জল ফেলার জন্য নয় ওটা তো কিন্তু তোমাদের কাজ হবে কেয়ারফুল জল ফেলবে না কেউ ডাবল তো একটা এক্সট্রা আছে এক্সট্রা হলে এক্সট্রা হয়ে যাবে So I'm giving you 4 seats per pair 4 seats দুটো করে একটা তোমাদের ধরে না এটা
ওর জল নেই ও
এই যে জল এখানে না এই যে জল আছে এই যে এটা অ্যাকশন এখানে সিটস বাকি আছে
Can you pass? Artrin, can you pass this? Each pair should get 3
Everybody's got 4 seats.
4 seats and
Water.
and 2 of those.
ওটা বেশি কাছে দ্যাটস নট টু ক্লোজ না আই হোপ
That's not what.
না দে আর নট টু ক্লোজ আই হোপ
No. I think it's fine.
Done. Achha, everyone has got soil.
Everyone's got
water,
soil.
seed, and what is the other seed?
ম্যানিওর আচ্ছা
Okay, so the seed which I have given you is okra or bhindi
Oh, okay.
or lady's finger. And I can give you methi also, but I thought let me get some.
You need to count. There are 6.
Busy.
Who here likes methi?
So now you will be ready for the activity.
Nobody here likes methi.
I like.
Bhindi now.
These two.
So all of you have got this
if you do that the seeds will get hurt
আচ্ছা তোমরা এটা চারটে মাঝখানে
সবাইকে দিয়ে দিই।
anybody who needs an extra newspaper যদি নিউজপেপারটা নোংরা হয়ে যায় প্লিজ আস্ক আই হ্যাভ মোর রোশাঙ্ক এন্ড সরলা তোরা এই গ্যাপটাতে আয় তাহলে তোদেরও সুবিধা হবে কাজ করতে দেখতে inside the stomach it leads to this right so this is a baby so when we make we have to ensure that the seed has its manure and soil and this is clay now why clay the question why do we have to use clay clay is the binding agent if you have to make something you make clay dough so you need to get it sticky otherwise the ball activity there will be no point because this will not stick but we have to see what is the proportion to be used because if you give more clay the soil becomes more clayey then the seed can't grow so if the soil is less clay the seed will be able to breathe but it should get its sufficient nurture okay so how will we do it just see and then you have your spoons with you okay so we will do one
Take
it out
out a bit of soil onto the paper.
Take the soil.
Take the soil and put it on the paper.
take the soil and put it on the paper like this
Like 2 spoonfuls worth. 3 spoonfuls worth.
each
Yes.
person on their newspaper
Also you have to do it as well.
so as a team you have got this
So you have to give
yeah
him
but you will
from
make
yours.
your own ball put 3 spoons of soil on your newspaper even if you are a pair you just yeah you make your own
Yeah, now you give it to him, let him put 2 more. Like big one, not that little. Little more, little more, little more.
Big
Yes.
spoons. And if
Nice
your
dollop,
spoon is
yes.
not sufficient, then you please put another spoon now. Let's see the amount of soil. Yeah, you have to put a little more. You have to put a little more. So at least it should be this much. Let's see. Yeah, you have to put a little more. You have to put a little more. Yours is okay. Little more. Little more. Little more. Yeah. Half a spoon for you. Great. Okay, so I also made. Very nice. Now what we are doing is, we are taking this other thing. What is it? Clay. Taking clay.
The other one.
This one, the sandy, this one. This one is clay. Okay? So what you do is, you put 1 and 2 spoons. 1 and 2 spoons.
Yes.
Okay? 2 spoons. All of you, 2 spoons. Soil content has to be more. Clay has to be less. Okay? Clay less, soil more. If the clay is more, then put a little bit of soil. Yes. Yes, clay has to be less. All of you have to put more soil. Oh, done. Now what we are going to do? Now what we are going to do is we are going to mix it. After we did a mixing, it's fine. Let's see.
না না কোনো প্রবলেম নেই।
আমার সঙ্গে soil দাও, হ্যাঁ। তোমাকে তখনই বলেছিলাম অত করে কালারটা ব্রাউনিশ হবে। Now it will become messy because we put water, but water has to be in proportion. Okay? So water, don't pour the water like that.
Look at the professor.
When you have to put water, you have a glass of water like, don't pour it all at once. What do you do? Listen, look at this carefully. Otherwise it will become runny and it will not become a sweet ball. Here is water, okay? All of you have got water with you, okay? Slowly start putting water, little, okay? Little by little.
Yes, like
And then little, okay? Don't take too much. Little, 2-3 drops. Okay? And then after that, you have to see. First, you have to put little more water. First, put little water. Little water. Yes. Now you also put spoon. Use your spoon. Use your spoon to put the water. Use your spoon to put the water. Yes, beta. Water has to be a little more. Atta. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to mix it with your hands. Listen. All of you look here. All of you look here.
ওখানে অফ আছে, লাগবে না।
All of you pay attention here. What we are going to do, we are going to make like a dough. Atta, the way we have to make atta like that, we have to do that. Mix it up. Now use your hands. And if there is sufficient, see, I'll tell you what, it has to be like this. If it is not like this, then the water is not sufficient.
In more water.
It has to be, you have to add more water. It has to be like this. Okay? It has to be like this. Yeah. You try and see if it can be made into a ball. If you cannot make it into a ball like this, that means you need more water.
गोल कर आटा बड़े गोल कर आटा जैसे ऐसे गूंदो आटे के जैसे पानी डालो
Mix करो, mix.
गोल बना गोल
Little water, you have to add a little more water. So you have to mix it like this.
চামচ নে পানি
Add a little more water.
আন্টি কেমন বানাচ্ছে জন্য সবাই একটু দেখো না খালি তো বলুন জল দাও
Yes, yes, add the jol down.
চামচ নে পানি নে
Very good.
Very nice, very nice. Done, great.
পারফেক্ট
বাবু হয়েছে এবার কি করতে হবে
ইংলিশ ইংলিশ
use up the entire soil use up the entire soil
Too hard, put some water. Good, like that.
All of you show me the circle. Make it like this. Very nice. See, use both hands now. Use both hands now. Make it into a circle. And show me your circles. Babu, yes. Show me your circles. Very nice. Ball karo. Good. Do like that. Show me your circle. Ball karo.
নানা দেখিয়ে নরম করতে হবে
Yes, perfect.
Perfect. All of you are done with the circle. Show the circle. Okay, let's take all the circles in our hand like this and we'll take a picture. Okay? Please take all the circles.
জল দে জল কম করেছি
With seed balls. Wow. The seed has to come inside.
Manage করতে শিখে না।
Like this. সবাই হাত manage করতে সবাই এরকম করো। হাত তোলো।
হাতটা তোলো
All ready for seed balls.
all of you ready with your balls
এই যে এরকম